We recently enjoyed 3 days in Malaysia's capital, Kuala Lumpur, with our friends from Gaia Travel Media. Hi, I'm Leslie and we stayed in a city icon, the Concorde Hotel in the city's Golden Triangle. There's a monorail station right at the doorstep, but whether you arrive by monorail or by car, the entrance is warm and welcoming. You'll see the reception, 3 food outlets and the ballroom as you walk in. After collecting our room key, it was up to our room on the 13th floor, where our windows gave us a wonderful view of the Petronas Twin Towers. Rooms on the other side face Bukit Nanas Forest Reserve. Our room was spacious and well equipped and provided with all the usual amenities, and we were very pleased to see multi-sockets for our charging needs. The bathroom's been renovated and is bright and clean with clear signs showing hot and cold in the shower. But do be careful of a small step as you enter the bathroom. The hotel has a business centre on the ground floor for premium guests, and just past the ballroom and function rooms, there's a large and well-equipped gym overlooking the swimming pool. The Concorde has 5 food outlets. We enjoyed our breakfast each day at the melting Pot Café, as there's something for every taste, whether you want yogurt or nasi lemak, roti canai, noodles or cornflakes. And we love how they make it easy to find a table. Xroads Xpress is a casual spot to enjoy a coffee or a simple meal. Or do some work where you can charge your devices. Famous for over 50 years for its dim sum brunch or lunch and fine Chinese cuisine is the Xin Cuisine, where they still serve the dim sum from the carts. Guests can enjoy a teh tarik and a snack at the pool terrace after a swim. We didn't check out the Kazuma Japanese restaurant or Hard Rock Cafe, but there's always next time. We enjoyed our stay at Concorde, and if you'd like to check it out, click the link in the description for more information. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.